How to make Facebook show all comments by default. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Now simply scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, tap on followers and public content. Now scroll down. Now under show most relevant comments first, simply disable this toggle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.